Why use Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi? Understanding the trade-offs. Today, we're exploring why you might choose Bluetooth over Wi-Fi, even though both are popular wireless technologies. We'll break down the trade-offs so you can decide which fits your needs better. Introduction. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are everywhere, from our phones and laptops to smart home devices and wearables. While they both let us connect without cables, each has strengths and weaknesses. This session will help you understand when Bluetooth might be the smarter choice. Simplicity of setup. One of Bluetooth's biggest advantages is how easy it is to set up. All you need is an adapter on each device, often already built in. Pairing is quick and doesn't require a router or complicated network settings, making it perfect for short-range, on-the-spot connections. Lower power consumption. Bluetooth, especially Bluetooth Low Energy, is designed to save power. That's why it's the go-to choice for wearables, small electronics, and battery-powered gadgets. Wi-Fi, while faster, draws more power, a big consideration for portable devices. Range considerations. Bluetooth typically works within 10 to 30 meters, ideal for personal space communication. Wi-Fi can cover 100 meters or more, which is better for whole home or office setups. Interestingly, Bluetooth's shorter range can be a plus for security, as signals are less likely to leak far outside your immediate area. Speed and data transfer. Wi-Fi easily wins in raw speed, handling hundreds of megabits per second, great for streaming, gaming, and moving large files. Bluetooth is slower, just a few megabits per second, but that's more than enough for audio streaming, controls, and small file transfers. When Bluetooth wins, choose Bluetooth when you need quick, cable-free connections between nearby devices, want to conserve battery, and don't have, or don't want to rely on, an existing Wi-Fi network. Its simplicity makes it the best option for many day-to-day tasks. Summary. In short, Bluetooth trades speed and range for ease of use and power efficiency. Wi-Fi excels when you need high speed and wide coverage. Instead of seeing them as rivals, think of them as teammates, each shining in different situations.